What if I told you the secret to getting your morning wood back might be a simple nightly oil rub? I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, a urologist. For many men over 50, the slow disappearance of a morning erection can feel like losing a part of yourself. But here's the truth, that change isn't just about aging. It's about circulation, nerves, and small habits that can be fixed. Today, I'll show you a simple nightly ritual that supports blood flow, restores sensitivity, and helps bring your body back online. No pills, no gimmicks, just real science. The science of morning erections. A morning erection is more than a sign of libido. It's a diagnostic tool. It tells us your blood vessels and nerves are functioning properly. When men lose that natural signal, it's often the first indicator of circulation decline. The inner lining of your arteries, called the endothelium, becomes less elastic, while nerve sensitivity fades over time, especially with stress, poor diet, and inactivity. Think of it like this: your pipes get narrower and your wiring loses its spark. The nightly oil rub we'll discuss helps both, improving microcirculation and reawakening nerve endings through direct, gentle stimulation. Why massage works? The massage itself does three things. It stimulates blood flow, mechanically encouraging oxygen-rich circulation. It restores nerve sensitivity through tactile stimulation. It reduces stress hormones, which constrict your blood vessels. Massage isn't about arousal. It's about communication between your body and brain. You're teaching your system to reopen channels that daily tension keeps closed. The right oils to use. Not all oils are safe. The skin in this area is thin and sensitive. The wrong product can irritate or even damage it. Here are the urologist-approved options. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Rich in antioxidants like oleocanthal and vitamins E and K. It hydrates and supports circulation safely. 2. Unrefined coconut oil. Contains lauric acid and MCTs that moisturize and absorb quickly. It melts at body temperature, making it ideal for gentle massage. For advanced benefits, you can add 1 drop of diluted essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. Ginger oil for warmth and circulation. Rosemary oil for blood flow and alertness. Sandalwood oil for relaxation and stress relief. Warning: important. Never apply essential oils undiluted, they can cause burns. Always dilute first. The nightly massage technique. This is a nightly ritual. Not performance but restoration. Start by relaxing your body. A warm shower or a few deep breaths signals your system to exit fight or flight mode. Rub a small amount of oil between your hands to warm it. Begin with the inner thighs. This region carries major arteries and veins to the pelvis. Use circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds on each side. Next, gently massage along the shaft, moving from base to tip with light, consistent pressure. You're not trying to stimulate. You're nourishing tissue and reawakening nerves. Finally, focus on the perineum, the small area between the testicles and anus. Massage gently in small circles. This area influences the pelvic floor muscles that control blood flow to the penis. Do this entire routine for 3 to 5 minutes nightly. Over time, you're conditioning your circulatory and nervous systems to respond more efficiently, just like physical therapy for your vascular health. The medical perspective. Gentlemen, this isn't a magic cure. It's a tool. The return of morning erections often signals your vascular system is healing. But if you're still not seeing progress, don't wait. Erectile issues can be early signs of high blood pressure, diabetes, or hormonal imbalance. The smartest move you can make is to combine this nightly ritual with a medical checkup. The goal isn't just a better erection. It's a healthier heart, brain, and life. Gentlemen, your body has not forgotten how to perform. It just needs the right signals. A few quiet minutes each night can help restore circulation, sensation, and confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more straight talk medical advice for men. And tell me in the comments, what's one small change that's made the biggest difference in your health lately? I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next.